Hey, welcome students. This is Ms. DeBruines, your teacher for game design in Python. If you're watching this video, that means you have successfully logged into Moodle, found our course, put in the enrollment key, and you're now enrolled in this class. I just want to give you a brief overview of Moodle and this course. This is what our course looks like in Moodle. You'll see here. You'll find all your assignments and all your reading. Everything you need to do for this class is listed right here. Just go ahead and follow the assignments in the order in which they are presented, one after another, and you will do just great and will follow the course as you need to. Alright, so one of the very first things you need to do, and I just added this assignment, is you need to update your email address. It's very important that I have your most recent email address. There's instructions here for how to do that. Again, it's part of your profile, so if you go to your profile and view it, and then down here see edit profile, you're able to come in and give me an email address right in here. Now, by default you have your Bellingham Schools email address, but I don't want you to use that for this class. I'd like you to change this to a personal email address that you can check every single day. Either your own personal address or a parent's email address, something like that, that you can check every day. It's very important that you check your email every day, because that's the main way that I'm going to communicate with you. Alright. Now, in addition to that, I want you to be aware that all of the assignments that are presented in a weekly topic, like we're in topic 1 right now, all of those assignments are due by Saturday of that week by 10 p.m. So the due date for all assignments during a week is the same. It's always Saturday night, 10 o'clock. So make sure that you get your work done by that time. At this point in the course, you should have already installed Python, which looks like this. Remember, we're using Python 3.3.2 at this time in this class. And it looks like this when you get it installed. Just make sure you're not using Python 2, which is an earlier version, and the code we use in this class will not work with Python 2. You must have Python 3 installed. Okay, again, we've already discussed the due dates every week, 10 o'clock, and you can see your very first quiz right here is also due this Saturday at 10 p.m. And one thing about the quizzes, you only get one attempt on the quizzes. And so make sure you read all the information presented in the lessons and everything up to that point before you take the quiz. Because if you go in and take the quiz and then realize you haven't really read everything carefully, you don't get another attempt to take the quiz. So it's very important that you read everything first before you attempt it. You'll also notice that every week we have a forum. Forum looks like this. Next week our forum looks like this. It's called a Q&A, or a question and answer forum. The Q&A forum is designed for you to ask your questions. If you're having problems with a program, you don't understand a concept that we're learning in the class, post your questions here. Just click on the Add a New Discussion Topic and post your question. I will come and answer that question as soon as I can. Or I also encourage students to answer the questions of other students. So yes, you can post answers. However, there's a few rules to posting answers. First of all, your answers must stick to the concept we're learning that week during that topic. Do not introduce other programming concepts or things we have not yet covered in the class, because this will only cause confusion for other students. Please also do not copy and paste your program code. You can help students with questions, but you can't just give them your work. Okay? And thirdly, please stay on topic. This forum is not for chatting about other topics, things that aren't related to the class. Off-topic chats will be deleted. So make sure that you stay on topic. But otherwise, you're encouraged to answer other students' questions. That way we all become teachers and not just students in this class. And I think that's a good way to learn these concepts in this class. Okay, so that's it. I want to welcome you to class. Please, again, make sure the most important thing is that you update your email address so that you get the weekly updates and things like that. All the feedback that I'll give you about your assignments will come to you via your email address, so it's very important that I have that current email address that you can check daily. Please do check your email every day for this class. Other than that, welcome to the class. I'm glad you're here. I think we're going to have a lot of fun. We're going to learn a lot about programming in Python.